In this video, we will go over the Opportunity Journey Map module. Welcome to Sales Optimizer's Opportunity Optimizer dashboard. Click on the module name. This module helps you map the customer's buying journey with your selling process and/or recognize their journey to understand and build a stronger customer relationship. By hitting the Edit button on your top right, you can start inputting information in each of the sections. Each of the name headers can be customized to meet your needs and use cases for this module. To save your work, just click on the Save button to your top right, or hit the Save and Return button to see the module within the dashboard. If you look at it from the dashboard, you'll notice it captures how much input you have filled in each section, giving you a high-level overview of your customer journey. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.